welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here with you all today. What I will be sharing with you all today is a haul. I recently went to my local drugstore near me and I bought over $100 of product. I do have to say though that there was a 25% coupon in all these products, so I ended up saving about $30, so just leaving my total to over $100, which is always great. And I bought so many products, so we're gonna go ahead and get started before this video gets super long. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. I will leave it linked in the description box below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first items that I want to share with you all are actual foundations. I usually only have one foundation at hand because I stick to like what I love and my favorites. So I actually repurchased my favorite foundation, which is this one, Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is actually my favorite foundation and I always have this on hand with me. I cannot live without this. This is amazing, my favorite, and it's only about $11-12 depending where you get it. So if you have oily skin, I totally recommend this foundation, but I had to pick up a new one. While there in the drugstore, I actually saw some Revlon foundations that I was intrigued by, and I picked up this next one. So I picked up this Color Stay Full Cover Foundation in the shade 310 Warm Golden. I'm so excited about this one because it is a matte foundation, and as you all know, if you watch my videos, I do have oily skin, so I'm so excited for this Color Stay new foundation that I had never actually seen. I haven't gone to the drugstore in a while, obviously, but I had never tried this one. So I'm excited to see why it's in different packaging and all of that, but it says it's a full coverage foundation, so I can't wait to try it out. Next up, I picked up the Revlon Color Stay 24 Hours Foundation. This is what the foundation looks like right here. I picked it up again in the color 310 Warm Golden. This one does have a pump. Back in the day when I was going to college, this is all I wore and I absolutely loved it. So I'm excited to kind of try it out again and just get back in the day, you know, kind of figure out why I stopped using it, and I'm just excited to give it a try once again. Last but not least, with foundations, I did pick up this Wet n Wild foundation. So this is what the foundation looks like. It is the Photo Focus foundation in bronze beige. I have never used this foundation. I have heard about it, but I've never really watched reviews on it. I want to give it a try on my own and kind of figure out if I am going to enjoy it with my oily skin. It does not say if it's matte. It just says Photo Focus. I'm excited to try this out and film a video kind of reviewing this foundation. So alright, so next up I went into concealers, and I did pick up a new e.l.f. concealer, but I actually went ahead and picked up the Hydrating Camo Concealer now. I usually have the 16-hour concealer that you see right here. This one's very matte and sets super quick, so I want to give the Hydrating Camo Concealer a try because a lot of people rave about this as well. I am more on the oily side, but if I set it with a powder, I think I will love this also, especially for like the center of my nose and kind of my forehead. So I'm excited to try it out, and I picked up the shade Medium Sand. I also saw that the drugstore where I went to had LA Girl products, so I picked up this Pro Conceal concealer, and I'm so excited to use this one. I'm not sure what the shade is. Let me see. Oh, it's Light Ivory. I'm not sure if this is going to fit my skin tone, but they're looking at it. I thought it was a pretty good match to some of the ones that I have already. I've heard a lot of people rave about this concealer. I think I have tried one of these before, but I just can't remember. So I went ahead and picked this one up because it was fairly inexpensive. I believe about $3 or $4. So I want to kind of give it a go again and figure out if I do like it still, or kind of mix it and match it with other concealers that I currently have. Lastly, with concealers, I went ahead and picked up this Revlon Color Stay Concealer, and I picked it up in the shade 40 Medium. I have actually used this concealer, and I will tell you that I'm absolutely in love with it. So I just can't wait to find other colors because I think I need a lighter shade on this one. This was just the only shade available at my store, but I'm in love with it. The next item that I picked up was this Revlon Color Stay Pressed Powder. The packaging looks like this right here. This is what the powder looks like. This is the inside of the powder. On the inside, it does come with a mirror, and it also comes with one of these little puffs that you can apply your makeup with. So I was really intrigued by the color stay line, so I decided to kind of pick this powder out from their range. I will say I wish they had more colors available where I went. I know online they do, but in my drugstore they didn't. So I went with the deepest shade, which is the shade medium deep, and I hope this works out for me. I am super excited to try this out with the foundations, the Color Stay foundation, so that's why I went ahead and picked this one up. I saw this Revlon Skin Lights bronzer right here. This is in the shade 115 Sunkissed Beam. I just loved the look of this bronzer, and it is super soft. I'm gonna give you a swatch of it just so you can see. This is a swatch of the powder of the bronzer, and I'm so excited to try this out. I'm always in the market for a good bronzer, and I've heard a lot of people rave about this bronzer, so I'm excited to give the Skin Lights line a go, and this is from Revlon. I can't wait to try this product out. The packaging is beautiful, and it's a new item, I believe, so I can't wait to share with you all how this works. So that's why I picked this one up. Sticking with the Revlon theme, I actually saw this blush, and it is in the color Marvelous 03, and it's just a very pretty mauve color. So this is what the blush looks like. It's very pigmented, very soft. So I'm excited to try these Revlon blushes. I've never had a Revlon blush, I believe, so I was really excited to see this color because it reminds me of a fall kind of blush, and since we do have fall right around the corner, I kind of wanted to give this a try, so I went ahead and picked this one up. Next up, I was intrigued by this Photo Ready eye art, and this is what it looks like. It has a more glittery side and then like a satin side. So they're basically like liquid eyeshadows. How cool is that? I think that is so cool. I can't wait to try this out. This also reminded me of a fall, and I was like, ooh, I can use that in a tutorial coming up. They're so pretty. Like I said, one is more glittery, the other one is like a satin finish. And I'm just so excited about these colors. This looks super cute right there on the display, and I'm sure that these are not new, but they're new to me, and I just can't wait to see if they are worth it. I saw this packaging, and this packaging just really called me. It's called So Fierce. It's also by Revlon. Look at that mascara. That is so pretty. The packaging reminds me of a higher end mascara. I just want to try out new mascara, so I went ahead and picked this one up, and I loved the packaging of it. The wand is more of a plastic wand, kind of like the CoverGirl orange mascara that I don't know if you've seen or you've tried, but that's what it reminds me of. So I'm excited to give this a try. I can't wait to see how this works out, so I will let you all know very soon in an upcoming video. Also, I just picked up another of my instant brow pencils. These are my favorite pencils from the drugstore for my eyebrows, and they're by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This was only $2, so I decided to go ahead and pick this one up. I have them on backup just in case I do run out of one, so I always pick one up when I go to the drugstore. I actually picked up 3 lip liners and a lipstick that I want to share with you all. So the first lip liner that I picked up is by LA Girl in the color Sugar and Spice. So this is what the lip liner looks like. So I'm sorry, I swatched it in a very awkward place in my hand, but that is the color of the lip liner right here, Sugar and Spice. So pretty. I really like that. This was about $3, and it's a huge pencil, because if you compare it to the NYX pencils, this is the difference of them. So very nice for $3. I can't wait to go ahead and try this out. If you have not used the suede lip liners from NYX Cosmetics, you're missing out because they are fantastic. This is what the packaging looks like. So I picked up 2 colors. Here are the shades in the center of my hand that I picked up. I picked up the shade Soft Spoken, which is a deeper shade, and then Life's a Beach, which is a brighter shade. I don't know why I kind of wanted to try the brighter shade of it, but I picked these 2 lip liners out. I love these lip liners, and I just wanted to have a few more colors in stock. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. Mine's a little dirty because I've had it here for a while, but look at that beautiful packaging, and that gold at the very top, so pretty. I picked up the shade Shameless number 14, and this is a swatch right here that is so pretty, and I'm actually wearing it today on my lips, and I think it's gorgeous for fall time. So pretty. You can mix it with other colors, but I just love the formula of these matte lipstick. It's not drying at all. It feels so comfortable on the lips, and they're so pigmented and creamy. Definitely gonna have to pick up more of these colors, but I just wanted to tell you that these are amazing. That is it for the makeup, but I'm going to quickly show you 3 more items that I picked up. I picked up the Pantene Fortifying Damage Repair Shampoo. So this is what it looks like right here. I was kind of, to be honest, attracted to the packaging. It smells really good, clean and fresh, and I love the packaging, and I just wanted to try something different out, so I went ahead and picked this up. I also picked up my Dove deodorant and just Cool Essentials. This is what it looks like. So I love fresh scents and clean scents, so I went ahead and picked this up because mine was running out. So this is just a random, but I picked this one up. Last but not least, I just picked up some makeup remover wipes. I went ahead and picked these up because they were on sale. There are 25 towelettes in here, and I just can't wait to try these out. I've never tried these out, so I'm really having high hopes, and hopefully they work out just as great as my Neutrogena ones. And that concludes my video. I'm so happy that you came and saw everything that I picked up. I'm so excited to share in future videos reviews and kind of full face of makeup using all these products. If you enjoy hauls just as much as I do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below telling me which one of these was your favorite item or which one you have in your collection and you just absolutely love. Thank you so much once again for being here with me today. Don't forget to subscribe before exiting my video. I will see you very soon on the next one. Bye, friends.